By the end of this video, you're going to know ninja secrets to folding your socks and underwear in the best way for organizing and to make your life more easier and simpler. Learn the do's and don'ts of folding so you can utilize your drawer space. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Banis. I'm a pro organizer and lifestyle blogger / wedding planning expert for my site cityofcreativedreams.com. So you want to learn how to fold your socks and underwear? You must have been watching Tidying Up on Netflix, haven't you? Well, don't you worry, I am obsessed with the show as well. And we are going to talk about folding today. I'm going to show you the best ways to fold your undergarments for any drawer size. Sounds good? Let's get started.
Take out everything. You're first going to want to take out everything because you want to see what you have and know what's there. You are first going to want to take out everything because you want to see what you have and know that there is nothing hiding or forgotten in your drawer. This is also a great way to see the actual space in your drawer. Socks 101. If you were like me, you used to put your socks into a tube shape like this. This is a don't. As much as these look like a good idea, it is actually ruining the band of your socks. Who would have thought that, right? After all, we are just happy to have two socks still together, am I right? For socks, you are actually going to hug the socks together and fold in half for ankle socks or smaller socks. For larger socks, you are going to want to fold in thirds like this. You're going to do the same thing for knee-high socks as well. Is this way of folding your socks making sense? If it is, write love in the comments below. Underwear. Next, let's talk about underwear. To be honest, I never thought about folding underwear. I used to just toss it into my designated drawer organizer and call it a day. But Marie Kondo opened up my eyes to this. So, here is how to fold underwear. First, you're going to fold the middle inside, then fold the sides, and then fold the two sides into each other. Repeat the process with boy shorts as well. Bras. Bonus. Let's talk about bras. Marie Kondo does this for bra folding, which is an easy and beautiful way of displaying your bras. However, if you don't have the space to do this in your drawers because space is limited, I fold my bras like this. You can still see what you want, but still be able to use a smaller space that you have to work with that is best for you. Storage boxes. Once you have all your underwear, socks, and bras folded, you'll need to use a storage box or container to put it in. You can buy these at any dollar store, Walmart, or even IKEA. Then file it in vertical or horizontal. I think it all depends on your space and preference.
If you're serious about organizing your home, don't forget to grab my free resources below this video. It's filled with checklists to help you on your organizing journey. So grab it below this video. If you know someone who would love this, share this. Did this video help you? Are you ready to fold your socks and underwear like we did today in this video? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching. And get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.